Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the best smartphones available on Amazon. And we know that the Amazon Great Indian Festival is coming out soon. It's actually running from October 10 to 15. So again, you might even find better deals on Amazon with these smartphones. And most of these smartphones are sort of Amazon exclusive, and maybe you have some Amazon vouchers or you like to shop from Amazon. So these are the list of the smartphones that I have that I would recommend on Amazon. And let's start from the budget range and then we'll go to the higher end variants. So at the budget range of about 6,000 rupees, again, we have a lot of Xiaomi smartphones in the budget range, obviously. I have this Redmi 6A that is selling for 6,000 rupees here in India. And it's having the Helio A22 chipset. And I would say for the price of 6,000 rupees, this is one of the best options that you can get as of now. It's a compact phone, and I don't think so in the market we have anything better at the price point of 6,000. So if your budget is very tight, you can look at Redmi 6A. And guys, regarding the pricing, I'm quoting the pricing as of now. I'm shooting this video on October 1st. So maybe if there is a sale or something, other special deals, you might get it even at a better price. But I'm quoting the pricing as of now, that is on October 1st. So next, if we come and if your budget is slightly higher, around 10,000 rupees, and you like to take a lot of selfies, then you can look at this. This is again the Xiaomi Redmi Y2. And the biggest thing about this one is the improved camera setup. Generally, the Xiaomi budget range phones don't have a good camera, but this one is having a good camera. And especially the front facing camera is actually really good on this one. It actually has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and it also has that slightly bigger screen, 5.99-inch screen. So at rupees 10,000, if selfie is a very high priority to you, you can have a look at this Redmi Y2. Now moving to another phone that was recently launched in India, and that's also an Amazon exclusive. That is the Xiaomi Redmi, 6 Pro. And this one actually has the notch design. I know some people are preferring the notch. So if you're that kind of a person looking for a Xiaomi device, this is the one for you. Redmi 6 Pro, this has a notch. And the good thing is that the battery life on this one is also actually really good because it has that 4000 milliamp hour battery. Now let's say if you up your budget a little bit, around 14,000, I would recommend the Realme one, and still it's a very good phone. In fact, this 14,000 rupees variant, you'll get the 6GB RAM variant with 128GB of storage. And I have to say, when I tested this phone, I was very impressed with this phone. It runs on the Helio P60 chipset, still a very good phone. There's also one more variant of this phone available in the market on Amazon. For the 11,000 rupees variant, you'll get it with 4GB of RAM. But again, if you require a lot of storage, I would recommend the 14,000 rupees variant that comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now moving to if you have slightly better budget and you want something like stock Android experience, we have the Xiaomi Mi A2, which was launched about 1.5 months ago. And the biggest thing about this device is that it runs on stock Android. It's Android 1 device, so almost stock Android experience that you're going to get. I like the build quality on this one. It's completely metallic, so it gives a good in-hand feel. And again, if you like stock Android, then you can certainly go with this one. Again, another thing that I noticed with this device was that, and I didn't expect it during my regular testing, is that camera quality is also very good. And in fact, the selfie camera on this one is also very good. So again, if you take a lot of selfies, you can also have a look at this Mi A2. In fact, I would say it might be the best selfie camera in this price range. Now let's move to slightly higher budget. Let's say if your budget is around 20,000, then we have this Honor Play. And if you check out my video about this also, I was really impressed with this device. The biggest thing about this is that it comes with the high silicon Kirin 970 SoC, which was actually used on Honor and Huawei's flagship phones that cost a lot. So you're getting the same chipset on this one. And also it has that screen, the 6.3-inch screen. And I have to say, it's still a full HD plus screen, but I have to say this is one of the best looking screens that I've seen in this budget. Also in terms of build quality, the build quality is really good. It's metallic, feels very premium. So, and again, the gaming performance was also good on this phone. So at 20,000 rupees, I would say have a look at the Honor Play. Now let's say if you increase your budget a little bit more, we also have the Huawei's own Nova 3i. I think so this is available for 21,000. This comes with their own Kirin 710 SoC, which was a new chipset that they launched recently. And the speciality of this device is the camera. It has 4 cameras, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So if camera is a very high priority to you, you can have a look at the Nova 3i. It's available for 21,000. And the best thing is that it comes with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Now, let's say if your budget is slightly higher, closer to about 30,000, and you are looking for a Samsung device because of the brand image or the service centers and others, you can have a look at the Samsung A8 Plus. This is priced about 29,900 in India, and this is one of the cheapest smartphones by Samsung that has 6 gigabytes of RAM. And also in terms of camera, it actually has a dual selfie camera. Finally, Samsung is also getting into the selfie game. It's actually having a 16 plus 8 megapixel selfie camera. And also, again, as it's a Samsung smartphone, it has that 6-inch screen, which is actually a Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen. And it has that 3,500 milliamp hour battery. Now, let's say if your budget is even more than that, at around 35,000 rupees, again, you know this is the OnePlus 6, and I would recommend the OnePlus 6 over at 35,000 rupees. This is one of the best options that you can get for this price range. And again, it's a great device, and you can check out my review for detailed pros and cons, and certainly one of the best smartphones in 2018. It would be in my top picks for 2018. So at 35,000, I would say this is the OnePlus 6. So guys, these were some of the smartphones that I would recommend that are actually available on Amazon. Do let me know what do you think about the same. I'll also leave some of the links of the videos that I have posted earlier about these smartphones in the YouTube description area so that you can get more info. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.